everyone, I'm Gulnaaz and today I will be telling you about 12 popular things in France and what they're called in French. Are you ready? Let's go. Eiffel Tower. In French, the Eiffel Tower is known as La Tour Eiffel. Repeat after me. La Tour Eiffel. Baguette. The famous French bread is une baguette. Say it with me. Une baguette. Cheese. Cheese in French is le fromage. Practice with me. Le fromage. Croissant. That yummy pastry is un croissant. Let's say un croissant. Money. The currency in France is the euro in French. Le euro. Say it together. Le euro. Museums. Museum in French is known as un musée. Repeat after me. Un musée. The Louvre. The most famous museum is known as Le Louvre. Say it. Le Louvre. The Seine River. The beautiful river in Paris is La Seine. Repeat. La Seine. The French wine. Wine in French is le vin. Say it with me. Le vin. Bear. The French hat is called un bear. Child. Un bear. Tour de France. The cycling race is known as Le Tour de France. Say it. Le Tour de France. French language. And of course, the French language itself is Le Français. Repeat after me. Le Français. Good job everyone. Today we learned 12 popular things from France in French. Keep practicing and soon you'll sound just like a French speaker. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to learn more French with me. A bientôt!